Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I created a design invitation card using Canva. The theme of birthday party is LOL. First, I clicked on elements and searched LOL dolls to see what graphics there are available. There wasn't much choices on Canva. The few that there are paid versions. Second, on Google, do a search for LOL OMG logo. Take a screenshot of it and save it. Disclaimer, this e-invitation card is being used for personal consumption only. Next, search for an image of a group of LOL dolls. Here I did a search by LOL dolls birthday and found this image that is on Amazon, which is perfect for what I'm creating. The middle pink portion can be edited to expand for the e-birthday invitation card and used as a banner. We will take a screenshot of the top portion of the banner and the dolls. You want to make sure that you take a screenshot right before the banner curves. This will make it possible for you to expand, so to speak, the pink banner area. After pasting the top portion of your cutout onto Canva, you do the same with the bottom portion with the LOL dolls, and you would only cut off right before it curves up. The corners are straight line like so. Adjust the size of the image to your Canva. Once you're satisfied with how it's looking, we'll bring in the LOL logo image and position it to the area that looks the best. Next, we'll go ahead and fill in the white middle portion on Canva with the pink banners. Cut off the middle portion of your pink banner, paying attention that the corners are straight lines. It will make it easier for you to join the images together to make it a seamless banner so that you can barely see any joins. Once you have them aligned, you can copy and paste it multiple times, as many times as you need. At this step, I realized that there is the word sponsored ad at the top left corner. With the LOL logo, we will cover up the sponsored ad. LOL doll, if you would like to sponsor my future videos, I have a lot of LOL doll birthday celebration party DIYs coming up. Feel free to hit me up. DIY with Tina. Now go ahead and work with the text for your invitation card using the text headings and some speech bubble outline elements. At this step, it's where your creativity comes in. Play around with different elements, different font styles, font colors, and see which or what type fits your invitation card the best. Feel free to go through what is available. The graphics and elements that I'm using here are all available for free. The outline's color can be changed to fit the theme of your invitation card. Here I also used some ideas from the web and sort of used what others have already done and incorporated with my ideas. So I sort of mixed and matched the ideas to what we want to create. Once you have completed designing it, click on the share button right at the top right corner and save it as a JPEG or PNG file. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to join along in my quick and easy DIY LOL themed birthday party decoration. You will be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye! Take care!